Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Comtech SF-666 condenser microphone so that you can have an idea before buying it. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So as you can see, I have the microphone in front of me. I actually bought this on Amazon, the link is in the description. So it was pretty cheap, it was only about like $13 or $14 and it had many special features. So I thought it was a good deal, so I bought it. So now let's unbox it. Okay, the microphone contains three components. One is the tripod and another one is the audio splitter, and last but not the least is the condenser microphone. So as you can see, the tripod is 360-degree flexible and 180-degree adjustable so that you can be in any place and record at any position. This mic perfectly works well on PCs, laptops, mobile phones, and Xbox or PS4 or any other device, you name it. And so guys, as you have seen it, now let's move on to the mic test. Welcome to my desktop. So here's where we'll be doing the audio test. So now I'm going to do a comparison between this microphone and my old microphone, which is actually a lavalier microphone. So here's the results. Hello guys, mic test 1 2 3. Mic test 1 2 3. Can you hear me? This is the Comtech condenser microphone SF-666 model. So I bet you can hear me well. Hello, mic test 1 2 3. Hey guys, can you hear me? So this is basically the old mic. I'm speaking in my old mic, which is actually a lavalier mic. So well, this is the audio quality. So guys, I recommend using the audio splitter while using the microphone with a mobile phone. So what the audio splitter does is it increases your voice and enhances the audio quality. I've tried several experiments and using the audio splitter works very well. The same applies to a laptop. So this is my recommendation. You can use it if you want. So it's your choice. So guys, this microphone works very well with any model of Xbox or PlayStation. So next week I'm going to do a tutorial video on how to connect this microphone with the Xbox. So stay tuned. Now that brings to the conclusion of this video. So the link of this mic is in the description below. It's pretty cheap. So it has many special features. So I recommend you to buy it if you're a YouTube beginner like me. And if you ask any doubts in the comment section, I'll definitely respond to it. Please like the video and subscribe. I'll see you in the next week. Bye bye.